Hi, everyone, and welcome to Mastering Encompass. Why are you here? I hope it's to learn all about the Encompass program that's brought to you from ICE Mortgage Technology. My name's Larry Bailey. I've been in the mortgage lending industry since 1993. Yes, I'm that old. Better yet, I've been using the Encompass program since 2004, not only as an administrator and teaching companies of all sizes across the country as well as across the world on how to best use the Encompass platform, but it's also important to make sure that I teach you as a user the understanding of how to leverage the Encompass platform in your position, especially if you're new to the mortgage industry or even new to the software itself. Make sure you check out all of our episodes, all of our playlists, all of our podcasts. It's all right here in one spot called Mastering Encompass. We look forward to helping you learn everything that you can. And as the industry changes and as the Encompass platform changes, always come back here for fresh content. We'll see you there. Thank you.